he called a forensic arborist and a lawyer. When the case finally reached the courtroom, Chloe walked in with a smile, thinking this was just a small dispute over some wood. She figured she might have to pay Arthur $1,000 for a new tree, and to her, that was just the cost of doing business. But as the hearing began, the atmosphere changed. Arthur's lawyer didn't just talk about a tree, he talked about tree law, a very serious part of American property law. In the state of Connecticut, if you intentionally destroy someone else's tree, you can be held liable for treble damages, which means 3 times the value of the tree. The forensic arborist took the stand and explained that this wasn't just a tree you could buy at a local nursery. Based on its age, size, species, and the ecosystem it supported, the replacement value of a 100-year-old white oak was estimated at $150,000. The turning point. Chloe's smile vanished. Her lawyer tried to argue that Chloe misunderstood the property lines. But Arthur's lawyer produced a video Chloe had posted on her own Instagram just hours after the tree was cut. In the video, she laughed and said, "Finally got rid of that ugly eyesore next door. Who cares about some old wood when you've got this lighting?" That video was the final nail in the coffin. It proved intent and malice. She didn't make a mistake. She made a choice to destroy her neighbor's property for her own vanity. The judge was a stern man who valued property rights. He looked at Chloe and told her that her disregard for her neighbor's history and the law was appalling. Under the treble damages rule, the judge took that $150,000 valuation and tripled it. The final judgment was $450,000, plus legal fees, plus the cost of restoring the soil. Chloe hadn't just lost her pool money. She was forced to put her house up for sale just to pay the judgment. She wanted the sunlight, but she ended up losing the roof over her head. Arthur, meanwhile, used the money to create a community garden in his wife's name, ensuring that while his tree was gone, its legacy would grow forever. Outro, greetings. And that, my friends, is a lesson in why you should always respect your neighbor's property, especially their trees. Justice was served, but at a very high price for one influencer. Thank you so much for spending these minutes with us at the Judges 144. If you enjoyed this story of justice and law, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more compelling cases. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay on the right side of the law. Goodbye.